Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. Potato stuffing or aloo masala is a spicy, savory, classic Indian dish made with potatoes, onions and few other spices. Also known as masala dosa, this stuffing can be used for multiple ways such as in a dosa, puri, sandwich, veg rolls or wraps, or simply as a side dish. We need the following ingredients. So let's get started by boiling the potatoes. Add them in a pressure cooker along with a glass of water and some salt. Cover the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles on low flame. The potatoes are nicely boiled. Let them cool down and then peel off the skin one by one. These needs to be mashed well using a masher. The better you mash them, the better will be the result. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Then add mustard seeds and stir until they crackle. Next add split black gram or urad dal and split chickpea lentils or chana dal. Keep stirring until they turn crunchy and golden brown. Next goes in red chilies. Although I'm not adding curry leaves, but if used, should be added at this point. Then goes in chopped green chilies. So if you're a non-spicy or less spicy eater, you can skip or reduce the quantity of green chilies. Stir fry for a minute and then add chopped onions. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn soft and slightly brown. Well, if you're a regular viewer on my channel, you might know that I prefer adding salt at this stage as it helps to release moisture much faster. Time to add the dry spices. Add turmeric and red chili powder and combine and cook them well for next 3 to 4 minutes. Although this is a potato stuffing for dosa, vegetables such as carrots, corn, peas or cauliflower can be added to add flavors and enhance the nutritional value of the dish. Finally, add mashed potatoes. I like to add sambar masala powder for extra taste and also add salt as per requirement. Now combine and mix it well with other ingredients. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes on low flame. The potato stuffing is ready to serve. Enjoy this comforting and delicious stuffing in dosa or serve it as a side dish with some puri or paratha. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you soon!